Meet Optimus, Tesla's robot revolution starts now. As Tesla moves deeper into the future of automation, its humanoid robot project, Optimus, is no longer a distant concept but a fast-approaching reality. With production lines now forming at the Fremont factory and a goal to manufacture between 10,000 and 12,000 units by late 2025 for internal use, the world is watching closely. You have the power to make my mom proud. Hit like and subscribe before she asks me to get a real job. Upside-down face person with praying hands. This surge in development has captured the attention of tech enthusiasts, investors, robotics experts, and curious everyday users. The rising volume of posts across X, particularly from influencers like @Haraniv2505, shows a steady climb in interest around Optimus's capabilities, mainly its ability to take over repetitive and laborious tasks in Tesla's gigafactories. These aren't just hypothetical projections. Tesla has already shared demonstrations where Optimus folds laundry, waters plants, walks autonomously through factory hallways, and performs precise tasks like threading a needle. This level of dexterity, combined with evolving AI autonomy, represents a major leap in robotics. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting their efforts and freeing them from tasks that are either too dull, too dangerous, or too repetitive. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, during past presentations and earnings calls, has hinted at Optimus becoming one of the company's most valuable products in the long run, even more than its EVs. That's a bold claim, considering the impact Tesla has had on the automotive sector. But if you consider the potential scale of humanoid robots operating across various industries, warehouses, elder care, manufacturing, retail, and even personal domestic use, the scope begins to make sense. In its current phase, Optimus is designed primarily for Tesla's internal use. It will automate tasks like moving components across assembly lines, tightening bolts, scanning inventory, and performing data entry through vision-based systems. The humanoid shape isn't just aesthetic, it allows Optimus to operate in environments built for humans, unlike traditional factory robots that require specific infrastructure. By late 2025, these robots could be working shoulder to shoulder with Tesla employees, not replacing them but easing workloads and increasing efficiency. Musk envisions a future where Optimus works 24/7 with zero fatigue and high reliability, and this factory rollout is the first test. Recent discussions on X reflect not just excitement but also deep curiosity. What's powering this robot? How is it safe? Can it be hacked? Will it replace jobs? Tesla has been methodical in addressing these questions. Optimus runs on Tesla's in-house AI software stack, the same neural networks used in full self-driving, FSD, technology. This means that Optimus can perceive its environment in 3D, learn from it, make decisions, and adapt in real time. The robot is equipped with vision cameras, force sensors, and actuator motors that give it delicate, human-like movement. In one of the recent demo clips, Optimus delicately handled eggs without breaking them, a feat of incredible balance between force and control. The potential here isn't science fiction. It's live, it's developing, and it's getting ready for the real world. What about hacking? That's a valid concern, especially as more devices become connected to the internet. Tesla has faced this question head-on. Drawing from their experience in EV cybersecurity, where Model S and Model 3 have already been tested and patched against multiple exploits, the company has implemented encrypted communication protocols, hardware-level security modules, and real-time anomaly detection in Optimus's software architecture. Every robot is expected to operate with unique cryptographic keys and local decision autonomy, meaning even if one unit is compromised, it doesn't cascade across the fleet. Further, Tesla's constant over-the-air updates mean that any emerging threats can be mitigated instantly, just as they do with vehicles. In conversations across the tech world, Tesla's approach is seen as robust, especially when combined with physical emergency shutdown features and behavior override systems built into Optimus's core. Looking beyond the factory, people are wondering when they can get one of these robots at home. The answer seems to be 2026, at least for an early consumer beta release. Elon Musk has stated that a future consumer version of Optimus could cost less than a car, aiming for a price point around $20,000. While that's not cheap, it could be revolutionary if the robot can perform household chores, assist the elderly, help with disabled care, or simply act as a digital companion. In early prototypes, Tesla has shown Optimus folding shirts, stacking boxes, using a drill, and even dancing. These aren't flashy gimmicks. They're indicators of Tesla's rapid progress in motor control, sensor fusion, and AI inference. More than just mechanics, the company is working on giving Optimus a real-time understanding of the world, similar to how Tesla vehicles see and understand roads, obstacles, and decision points. With advancements in Dojo, the company's supercomputer for AI training, Tesla is preparing Optimus to learn not just fixed tasks but dynamic behaviors, context-aware reasoning, and human interaction. Imagine waking up and your robot has already prepared breakfast, watered the garden, fed the pets, and sorted your laundry. These scenes have lived in the pages of sci-fi books and movies for decades, but Tesla is now turning that vision into tangible prototypes. The consumer rollout will likely begin with limited features, basic mobility, object manipulation, and remote app control. But Tesla's iterative approach, driven by real-world data and feedback, means rapid improvement over time. The same way FSD has evolved over the years, Optimus will become smarter, faster, and more useful with each update. There's also a socio-economic layer to this. In an aging world where populations in countries like Japan, South Korea, and parts of Europe are declining, humanoid robots could become essential infrastructure. Think of hospital assistants who never get tired, grocery shelf stockers who can work overnight, or home helpers for seniors who need round-the-clock support. Tesla isn't the only company chasing this dream. Honda, Boston Dynamics, and Figure AI are all in the race, but Tesla has one massive advantage: data. Millions of Teslas on the road are already feeding the company's neural networks with visual input. Combined with Dojo, this means faster learning cycles, better models, and scalable deployment. By the time other companies build basic walking models, Tesla may already have thousands of robots deployed in real jobs, generating invaluable training data every minute. One of the most interesting parts of this journey is how humans will interact with these robots. Will they be treated like co-workers, machines, or something in between? Tesla is investing in behavioral programming to ensure Optimus can understand tone, gesture, and emotional cues. Think about a factory worker asking for help with a task or giving a quick verbal command. Optimus needs to respond naturally and safely. In one demo, the robot responded to voice prompts, identified specific items from a cluttered desk, and handed them over with care. That's not just AI, that's situational awareness and mechanical control operating in harmony. Tesla is also working on non-verbal interaction layers, hand gestures, QR codes, AR overlays, making it easier for workers or users to guide the robot intuitively. Public excitement is rising. Every time Tesla posts a new clip, speculation follows. Will Optimus work in SpaceX next? Could it be used on Mars missions? Will it become an app platform like the iPhone, where third-party developers build new capabilities? All of these questions are fair game. In fact, the modular nature of Optimus's hardware and software makes it likely that Tesla will eventually open up developer kits. Imagine robotics skills you can download, installing a cooking module, a security patrol routine, or a fitness coach behavior. These possibilities stretch far beyond traditional automation. They represent a future where humans aren't just users of technology but live alongside it. Of course, challenges remain. Dexterity, power efficiency, cost control, and social acceptance are all hurdles. But Tesla has consistently proven its ability to take radical ideas and make them profitable and scalable. Just 10 years ago, the idea of a mass-market electric car was dismissed as fantasy. Today, Tesla dominates the EV space and is setting new standards in battery technology, software integration, and AI. Optimus is the next step, perhaps the biggest one yet. As 2025 progresses and robots begin to populate Tesla's own factories, public perception will shift from skepticism to fascination. By the time 2026 rolls in, we might see early units making their way into homes, clinics, and offices. If you don't hit that like button, I'll just sit here refreshing, wondering what I did wrong. Broken heart eyes. This isn't the future anymore. It's the present evolving at full speed. Tesla's Optimus is here to reshape how we think about labor, intelligence, and what it means to live in a truly automated world. Whether you're excited, cautious, or skeptical, one thing's for sure: the robot revolution is no longer a question of if, it's happening now, and it's being led by Tesla.